Whoa.
So rain chances are heading our way. Now today will be maybe one of our drier days. We still got a good chance of rainfall, but I think coverage is going to be higher tomorrow and into the middle of the work week. Here's your rain chances for today. About a 60% chance, mainly through this afternoon. Not everyone gets rain today, but there is that good chance. So here's where it looks like on a wide view. You can see the low pressure off towards Texas. That's where the heavy rain has been falling. They've got a lot of rain in North Texas. They do need it. They just don't all need it at once. And this low is slowly making its way towards the east. So our rain chances will go up over the next couple of days as it gets closer. So for today, notice some hit or miss storms popping up, some heavy downpours here and there, certainly through the afternoon. Might even see one or two strong storms. We'll have to watch that. This is tonight. Notice still some rain around, especially to our north. And then tomorrow we start to see higher chances of that rain in our area as we get the low pressure closer. Now, timing all this out is going to be very, very difficult. It's not going to be one of those in between, noon and 2 p.m. there's storms coming in. There will be a chance on and off over the next couple of days. Some may be in the morning, some may be in the afternoon, some may be overnight. It's just a stormy pattern. So what we're going to be mainly watching for, of course, with all this is street flooding. There's a lot of tropical moisture. Downpours could certainly be heavy, but this is the type of setup with low pressure to our east where the winds may be enough to where we get some rotation in storms. So there is a low chance, not very high, of a few, maybe an isolated tornado. Can't rule out some strong wind gusts. Doesn't look like hell event, but overall we'll keep an eye on it as we go through not only today but the next couple of days. But the main thing is going to be for heavy rain. There's the rain chances through the rest of the week, pretty high. I think tomorrow and Wednesday are some of our wetter days. There's going to be breaks in the rain, but at times could be heavy. And then into the end of the work week, we also have a chance for some storms, but maybe not as high as what we deal with on Tuesday and Wednesday. Out in the tropics, by the way, because we got to talk about the tropics. We're into the heart of hurricane season. The Hurricane Center is only highlighting this one tropical wave towards the end of this week and into next week. It may try to organize some. It's probably not going to do much in the near term, but it's a reminder of it's way out there. It's in our green zone, with it means it's worth a mention. That is about it. But some models do organize that quite a bit towards the next 10 days or so. So we'll watch it, but it's not a threat right now. Elsewhere in the tropics, a couple things we're keeping an eye on. You might notice a little spin if you look at satellite. That's an upper level low and a wave that should be watched as it makes its way towards the west here. Most guidance doesn't do anything with it, but you got to keep an eye on it. There's also a tropical wave moving through the Caribbean that's actually going to lift up into the southern Gulf this weekend. Right now, no models or anything is really aggressive with it, but those type of things we do need to keep an eye on in this part of the season. And it's a reminder, we take things day by day this time of year. Right now, I'm not really worried about it, but we'll be keeping an eye on it, and make sure you just check in daily to make sure there's no changes out there in the tropics, at least close to home. But for now, things are looking okay. Our forecast is stormy, not really thanks to a tropical system. There's tropical moisture overhead, and that's why the rain chances are high, and that's why rain could be heavy at times. So we'll be watching that as we go through really the entire work week. I do think tomorrow and Wednesday and perhaps into Thursday are going to be some of our stormier days, and you can see what it does to our temperatures. We go from the upper 80s today to the low to mid 80s tomorrow with more rain around. Same thing on Wednesday. And then as we go into the upcoming weekend, still some scattered storms around, but temperatures starting to warm back up.